Nikon ZV, is it 5 or 5? Or V for video, or something else? This rumored Nikon ZV camera is expected to bring together the powerful video features we've seen in the Nikon Z6III, but it's designed specifically for video creators and filmmakers. Think of it as a step into Nikon's new line of cinema-focused mirrorless cameras. Recent whispers from the rumor mill suggest that Nikon is actively working on a video-oriented version of the Z6III. This camera is believed to utilize the same 24.5 megapixel sensor found in the Z6III, but housed in a body that shares similarities with the Sony FX3 or the Nikon Z30. Imagine a full-frame version of the Z30, but powered by the advanced sensor from the Z6III. While the official name is yet to be confirmed, the camera is currently being referred to as the Nikon ZV, though it may also be launched as the Nikon Z6V. The initial naming suggests Nikon's intention to establish its video-focused branding with the ZV designation. To fully understand what the Nikon ZV might offer, it's crucial to examine the Nikon Z6III. This camera, which was released in 2024, boasts a 24.5 megapixel stacked sensor. This sensor provides a significantly faster readout speed compared to its predecessor, roughly 3.5 times faster. When paired with the XSpeed 7 image processor, the Z6III can capture 6K 60 frames per second raw videos and record them internally. It also supports 4K 120 frames per second, with a slight crop and full HD videos at high frame rates. The Nikon ZV is expected to inherit these core specifications and potentially enhance them further. Whispers from within the industry suggest that the heart of the forthcoming Nikon ZV will be a groundbreaking 24.5 megapixel partially stacked CMOS sensor. This isn't just another sensor, it's engineered to redefine expectations, promising to deliver high-resolution imagery and video with an almost unheard-of dynamic range, stretching from the deepest shadows to the most brilliant highlights. Imagine capturing footage that retains detail even in the most challenging lighting conditions. The innovative partially stacked design, a feat of modern sensor engineering, is rumored to enable lightning-fast data readout. This speed is critical, not just for capturing buttery smooth, high frame rate video, but also for virtually eliminating the dreaded rolling shutter effect. When this sensor is paired with the rumored, yet undeniably potent, XSpeed 7 image processor, we anticipate a level of performance that will set a new benchmark. It's not just about specs, it's about the potential to unlock creative possibilities we haven't even imagined yet. The Nikon ZV is expected to excel in video recording. It should support 6K 60 frames per second NRAW and 6K 30 frames per second ProRes RAW recording, offering filmmakers the flexibility to capture high-quality footage. Expect 4K 120 frames per second and Full HD 240 frames per second for stunning slow-motion effects. Features like open gate recording, 2x anamorphic squeeze, custom aspect ratios, shutter angle control, and a false color display are also anticipated. These features are essential for professional video production, allowing filmmakers to fine-tune their footage and achieve their desired look. The camera is designed to meet DCI specifications, ensuring compatibility with industry standards. Enhanced post-production stabilization, complementing the 5-axis in-body image stabilization and electronic vibration reduction, will further enhance video quality. One of the standout video features of the Nikon ZV is expected to be its internal ND filters. These filters will allow for precise control over exposure in various lighting conditions, eliminating the need for external filters in many situations. The active cooling system will enable longer high frame rate video recording without overheating, a crucial feature for extended shoots. While the exact price of the Nikon ZV is still unknown, it's expected to be positioned as a professional-grade camera, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. Given its focus on video, it's likely to be priced competitively within the market for high-end video cameras. The expected release timeline places the camera sometime in the third or fourth quarter of 2025. This timeframe allows Nikon to fine-tune the camera's features and ensure it meets the demands of professional users. Audio and connectivity are expected to be significantly upgraded in the Nikon ZV. The camera will likely support 32-bit audio, a significant improvement over the 24-bit PCM, providing higher fidelity for post-production. It will also offer line-in and XLR accessory compatibility, allowing for professional audio recording. Multiple USB-C ports, with one dedicated to data transfer, external recording, and power, and another for audio input, are expected. Camera-to-cloud direct connectivity will enable seamless cloud integration and efficient workflow. The user experience and interface of the Nikon ZV are expected to be optimized for video creators. A 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting touchscreen LCD and an improved video interface will provide intuitive control and navigation. CF Express, Type B and SD memory card slots will offer flexible storage options. The camera will be compatible with cinema and professional lenses, including Nikon's Z-mount cinema lenses. The ergonomic design will include mounting points for accessories, making it easy to build video rigs. Additional features like timecode, time-lapse, and dual-format recording support are also expected. Nikon's acquisition of RED in 2024 is a significant development that will influence the Nikon ZV. This acquisition has already led to the creation of Nikon Z mount-based RED cinema cameras like the RED Raptor and the RED Komodo. Nikon engineers are now working closely with the RED team to integrate the best cinematography features into their new mirrorless cameras. The Nikon ZV is expected to incorporate some of RED's technology. This could include deeper integration of RED's color science for nuanced color reproduction and support for professional formats like RED Code RAW. Enhanced connectivity, such as XLR inputs and SDI outputs, is also possible. The camera is expected to have a robust build quality for harsh shooting conditions and improved thermal management for extended recording. These enhancements aim to bring the camera closer to RED's cinema-grade capabilities. The integration of RED technology into the Nikon ZV is expected to enhance its color science, providing more accurate and nuanced color reproduction. Support for RED code RAW will offer filmmakers a professional-grade codec for post-production. Enhanced connectivity options, such as XLR and SDI, will make the camera more versatile for professional workflows. The robust build quality and improved thermal management will ensure the camera can withstand the demands of professional use. In summary, the Nikon ZV is expected to be a powerful and versatile camera for video creators and filmmakers. With its advanced sensor, video capabilities, and features, it's set to make a big impact when it arrives.